we're here in the Bedford Communities and we're at Tri-Pointe Home, that's the builder, and we're at the Averly community, one of Tri-Pointe's communities, and we're in Plan 3. So what Plan 3 has to offer is it's about 1,544 square feet. It's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2-car garage, and it also has a bonus. We love bonuses. It has a loft and it's pretty spacious. So let's go check it out. Hi, thanks for joining us on the Averly Community by Tri-Pointe Homes tour. This is an amazing community with tons of amenities. One of the really cool features of this property, well, the Bedford community in general, is they want you to work, live, play, walk, everything all together within one community. So that makes everything amazing. But they have walking trails from one end of the community, and it's a large community, straight through all the way. There's a gate that opens up and it takes you into the Bedford marketplace with Starbucks, crumble cookie, all the different amenities, roll them up taquitos, Everbowl, there's going to be a grocery store. So they have all these amenities, so you can kind of walk down a sidewalk, the gate opens up, and there you are, ready to enjoy your day, a cup of coffee, have fun with friends. It's just a really, really special community. It's close to the 15 and the 91 freeways. It's in Corona, California, so you're very central to a lot of different things. If you have any questions or you'd like to chat, you can reach us on Instagram, on Facebook, or you can check out our website at vividlifestylerealty.com and reach out anytime. We'd love to help. Bye.